Ever blow $3,000 in less than 2 hours? I did. And here's the painful truth. I blew $3,000 in 90 minutes. Here's what happened. I was up 150% on a trade. Assumed the market would stay quiet, so I took a nap. Less than 90 minutes later, Trump had announced a huge tariff on China. The market crashed, and I lost $3,000. Why? No stop loss, no discipline. One mistake cost me thousands. Don't let the market eat you for lunch. Trade smarter. Join Market Mindset University on YouTube.
Thanks for watching. We want you to keep your money safe. This next video shows you how. You'll find the link in the description.